Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, this is an old, very old farmhouse. Um, this used to be slotted floor, but I said, listen, I can't lay tiles on slotted floor. You either need to put 3/8 or 3/4 inch ply, rip everything out on that part, and then start all over, which they did. So, over here, this was an added addition many years later. And this used to be carpet, all that black you see. So I asked him to sand it down as best as he can and go around and start screwing in uh, 1.25 to 2 inch screws into the joists, which he did. He added more screws. I'm letting you know that I am going to wash this floor as I go along when I install my Ditra, just so I can have a good bond. That's the reason why I wanted him to sand it, so I can have a good bond on that. So it's pretty rough. And here's my 30 millimeter Ditra. There's almost 1,000 square feet of this. So, and what I'm using is all set Schluter motor. And we're going to use a modified as well. So please come back and I'll post something up in a day or two of how to install the 30 millimeter Ditra. Thank you and have a good day.